The number 1.
The kid has a big, deep, deep, a deep,
Pit.
a deep.
Ulit.
The kid has a big, deep,
Pit.
a pit.
Ayan na.
Pit.
May kasamang T. Pit.
Pit.
Ulit.
The kid has a big, deep,
Baliktad. I. Pit.
it.
Pit. O, pa, pe, pi. Na may kasamang T. Pit.
Pit.
O, ulit.
The kid has a big pit.
Okay, number 2. Tandaan mo yun.
Is
Tigas.
ding in the pit.
Okay, number 3.
Teams
M ang kasama.
teams big
Is.
big.
Okay, 4.
He wants
Wa, we, we. And plus S.
win
Very good.
in the race.
Ulit.
He wins the he wins in the race.
Okay, number 5.
Jill wins a play.
Pa, pe, pi.
Pin
Ulit.
pin.
Ulitin mo yung sentence.
Jill wins a pin.
Okay, ulit.
Jill
Jill na naman. Ulit.
Jill wins a pin.
Okay, 6. Kada mali mo, ulitin talaga natin.
The teams
Tip.
the tip of the hill is far.
Okay, ulit.
The tip of the hill
I-sound mo agad. Ulit.
is far.
Okay. Huwag mo kakalimutan i-sound. Next.
Kids
Okay.
lips are red.
Diretso basa.
Kids lips are red.
Okay, next.
May
kasamang S.
His pin
May kasamang N. Ulit.
pins is big.
Ulit.
His pin
His na.
is big.
Ulit.
His pin is big.
Very good. Next, number 9.
The big pin is mine.
Ulit.
The big pin is mine.
Next, number 10.
He has a big lips.
Again.
He has
Hubs na.
he has he
I-sound mo agad.
he
Huwag ka nanguhula.
has
Again.
he has he has
Walang V dyan.
has
Okay, again.
he has a big lips.
Again, ulitin mo. Kapag medyo doubt ka, duda ka sa basa, huwag mo kalimutan mag-sound. Ganun. Ulit.
He has a big lips.
Lalo na pag umairal yung pagkaulyanin mo. Okay.